Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will learn a very interesting easy watercolor painting. See, at first we'll complete the sky portion. Here, before using the color, we can use normal water. After that, we can use ultramarine blue and chrome yellow. Okay, now we'll go bush portion. See, here I am using ultramarine blue and sap green. See, at first we'll complete the upper part. Okay, this is our first tone. At first we have to complete the first tone properly. After that we can go the ground portion. See, before using the color, here also you have to apply normal water. Okay, after that you can apply chrome yellow very lightly. See, in this way you have to complete the first tone. Okay, see, now our first tone ground portion almost completed. Here I'm applying little bit sap green. Okay, here also we can apply little bit sap green. So friends, see, this is a very simple, easy watercolor scenery. At first you have to complete the first tone properly. After that we can go to the second tone. Okay, so friends, see, here also we are using same color. Okay, now we can go to the road. So at first, here also we can use normal water. Okay, see, then you can use little bit vermilion red with chrome yellow. Very lightly we have to apply this color. Also you should apply the perspective color. Okay, now friends, see, now we can go to the tree. Here we can apply sap green with ultramarine blue, and everywhere I will not use same color. See, this is the dark part or dark area. Here I am applying sap green and lemon yellow. Okay, so when you will apply the color, at that time also you should follow light and shadow. I mean, from where you are getting the light and where you should use the dark. Okay, so in this way we have to complete whole painting. Now we can complete the grasses. See, here I am using sap green and little bit ultramarine blue. Okay, now friends, see, now we have to complete the houses, is it? Friends, see, at first we have to complete the first house. Here you can apply chrome yellow, and for second houses you can apply crimson lake. Now friends, we can go to the plum tree. There also we can apply same green, sap green and ultramarine blue. Very lightly we have to apply this color. Okay, so friends, see, in this way we have to complete whole painting. Okay, friends, see, here I'm using brand sienna and ultramarine blue. Friends, now you have to find out the color. You have to mix up the color in yourself, and you have to find out. If you try, then you can learn. You have to try so many times, then you can find out the particular color. How much we should apply or we should use the color. In this way, if you try, then you can learn so many things. Now friends, you can try in your tester pad. You should use a tester pad. Okay, then you can complete the painting. Friends, I told you so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with us. At first, you have to complete this painting properly. After that, you can send me this painting. If you need any help, definitely I will help you. Okay, but you should try. If you don't try, it's not possible to learn. Okay, and if you want to change the color, you can change the color also. But you should follow the effect. Okay, friends, in this way, we can learn watercolor. And regular basis, you should practice. If you practice regular basis, you can learn so many things. At first, you should control the water, you should control the mixing and control the brushing. It's a very important things. And every day you should practice it. Okay. And if you want to need any help, you can contact with us. Okay. And if you want to show your painting in your drawing teacher, you can. And if you don't learn painting, if you want to learn painting from me, don't forget to contact with us. We are taking online and offline both classes. Here, junior level to senior level, all students are learning from our institute, drawing and painting. Students are learning so many things. I am showing so many things like drawing, pencil sketching, pastel color, watercolor, acrylic painting, oil painting, etc. So please, if you want, you don't forget to contact with us. Okay, and I'm sure that if you follow our channel, definitely you can learn so many things. Okay friends, now you have to practice regular basis. Okay friends, now bye.